How to install paper. Press power button. The side of the paper with black markings faces downwards. Put the paper smoothly into the paper inlet. How to print wireless from phone for D810. Download Labelnize app from Google Play, App Store, or scan the QR code. Turn on the label printer. Open Bluetooth and app. 1. Choose D810. 2. Click Unconnected. Click to connect. Select paper according to your paper size. Choose the file you need to print. Confirm the copies and density you need, then print it.